Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on Instagram. So maybe you didn't turn them on when you first got the app, or you never got the option to turn on your notifications. I'll show you how to do it today. So first things first, go onto Instagram and go to your profile page. Once you go to your profile, click on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you click on that, click on settings, which should be at the top of the tab that just showed up. Now when you're here, click on notifications. It should be the second option down. And when you're here, you're going to want to make sure that the pause all option is off. So it shouldn't be blue and toggled on, it should be gray and toggled off. Now you can go through the rest of these settings and change your notifications to be however you want them to be, but that's how you turn them on for the most part. Now if this doesn't work, even after you turn this on and you still don't get notifications, then go to your settings app. Once you go to your settings app, scroll down until you find Instagram. Once you find Instagram, click on it and click on notifications. If notifications isn't there for you though, then you'll have to find it in a different location. But if it's here, you can just turn it on. So if you don't see it in your Instagram app though, go back to settings and scroll all the way to the top. Go to the notifications setting, and once you find it, click on it. Now here, scroll down until you see Instagram. Once you find Instagram, click on it and turn it on. If you weren't able to find Instagram in either of these two locations, then you'll have to delete Instagram and re-download it. But that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.